So what you can also do is you can utilize the Negotiator plugin inside of ChatGPT to generate negotiations as per how you like. So to do that, you need to go around on to Explore GPTs right here, and under by ChatGPT, if you were to go around and expand, then you can see that Negotiator is an option. So it says, I'll help you advocate yourself and get better outcome, become a great negotiator, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around and click on Start Chat, then you can see the type of prompts that you can use. Like you could role play a salary negotiation, prepare a negotiation for a car purchase, and walk me through, like, let's say, Batna right here, and how can I manage my emotions while negotiating, and so forth. So let's say, for example, I am negotiating to buy a second-hand car. How do I get the lowest price right here? Just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, you can see that it says to help you negotiate effectively for a second-hand car, I'll need a bit of information on my tailored advice. Now let's say, for example, it's Maruti 800 right here, and asking price would be, let's say, for example, 4 lakhs rupees, let's say, for example, and I'm going to go around and my budget is going to be max 5 lakhs right here, just like this, and I'm going to go around and say yes, I have researched on websites, and then the seller is a private seller right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, it says here are some tailored negotiation tactics that help you get the best deal on the car right here. So you can see that it says preparation and strategy right here, and set your target, walk away with price, and initial contact right here, negotiation tactics, choosing the deal, and you can see that it even have this practice scenarios, as you can see right here, just like this. So initially it tells you to start with lower price, as you can see right here, and it says the lowest I can go is this, and so forth, as you can see right here, and so forth. So that is how you can go around and utilize the Negotiator inside of ChatGPT. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.